Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and there is nothing like having a little espresso to get me through that mid-afternoon slump. And for those times, I really enjoy having these ALTISSIO pods. I think that the makers of Nespresso must put a lot of thought into their color choices for each of their pods, since I find these pods are really easily identifiable. The dark purple color really jives well with the darkness and richness of this roast. As usual, it never ceases to amaze me how each of the pods has their own unique barcode, so the Nespresso machine knows exactly how much water to dispense. I get an absolutely perfect espresso shot with these pods. The crema layer on top is just like what I would find if I ordered an espresso in a fancy cafe. It's awesome that I can prepare my own delicious espresso from home. I find that the espresso from these ALTISSIO pods have this pleasant bitterness and bold flavor that complements sweet treats really well. My personal favorite accompaniment to have with this espresso is a little bit of chocolate to nibble on. These ALTISSIO espresso pods are just great for when I want a little treat in the afternoon to power me through the rest of my day. And that's my point of view.